Hey everyone, I'm Sudarshan. I'm a product owner here at NI, which is now the Test and Measurement Business Group within Immersion. Today, we'll see how you can collaborate over test and measurement data in SystemLink Enterprise. In this demo, we'll look at some recent test data from one of our products, collaborate over them by adding comments and mentioning colleagues from my team. Here we are at the home page on SystemLink Enterprise. We'll move to the results page to see the list of all recent results that I have collected. Let's assume I'm a test engineer at the lab responsible for running the antimatter consumption test. The grid here filters for all the recent antimatter consumption tests that have been run. Let me click on the most recent test result. I have a few test measurements that I have collected and I would like to review it with my colleague. I'll move to the comments tab. I can now collaborate over this test result by tagging my colleague and requesting for his review. Additionally, you can notice that I can bold or italicize the text in my comment, and I can also include numbered or ordered lists. Click OK, and the comment will be saved, and an email notification is sent to the users you have mentioned in this comment. A link to this test result is included in the email notification. The mentioned user can click on the link to navigate to this test result and reply to his colleagues. I hope you found this video helpful. Do like and subscribe to NI System Link channel so that you would be notified when we post future videos. There is a link in the description to SystemLink Forums where you can directly engage with us. Thank you.